This is the recipe for making yourself insane, is by thinking you're the only one who can do. You can implement systems that are going to make your life easier. And yeah, it's going to take some time and it's going to take some energy. But tell me, for the love of God, why you have to be the one to print the specials to hang the specials. Because that's what the last guy did. Okay, is that the best way to do it? I mean, when you write the specials, who do you either email them to people or make it the front of the house's responsibility to print and hang the specials? I mean, they're the ones who want them. They're the ones who want to know. So this is the recipe for making yourself insane, is by thinking you're the only one who can do all this really mundane shit. This is a mindset shift that you're going to have to go through. Let's go back to the Eisenhower matrix now and realize how a lot of things that you consider are priorities on the day-to-day aren't even on that list because you just do them. So how's that serving you? Think about it. If you weekly write the specials, okay, then you weekly have to print the specials. You've got to walk into the kitchen. You've got to hang it up, unfortunately. And then people ask, and then people come back around and they ask you if the specials are done. And then you have to point them to the place that it's always in. Are you the only person who can answer that question? It's the first step that you can take in order to move that off of your plate. You just watched a clip from one of my recent conversations with my coaching clients. If any of that resonated with you, if you're looking to grow as a professional chef, but you're not sure where to start, then I would encourage you to click the link below and apply for us to see if working together is in our best interest. We can definitely find a path together. Look forward to talking to you soon. Click the link below and let's get started.